What's up, sellers, and welcome to today's video. I'm super excited to bring this video to you. We are going over the things that I was able to absolutely score from the thrift store, from Burlington, and from Plato's Closet in the past 3 days. All right, welcome back. So like I mentioned, over 3 days, I went to one thrift store, I went to one Burlington coat factory, and I went to one Plato's Closet, and I absolutely smashed it out of the park. I'm telling you, we scored bigger than we've scored in so long. So without further ado, let's get into it. A little bit of context and backstory. With the thrift store, my wife and I on Thursday evening went on a date. My in-laws watched the 3 kids, and so my wife's ideal date was to go to the thrift store and get some clothes because she loves to thrift and buy herself clothes. So we did that. Before we went in, I said, hey, look, we're not sourcing anything for eBay, doing nothing for YouTube. Like, let's not even video anything. Let's just go in, enjoy ourselves, find you some clothes, and get out. So I dropped her off, and then I went and parked. And then by the time I got in there, she was already digging through the shoes and had already found a couple pairs. And so that kind of initiated the sourcing. I love that about her, that she is so gung-ho about the business, and she knows it means a lot to me, but I think just the thrill of the hunt was the thing. So we kind of just dove right in and went sourcing from the thrift, and we got some good stuff. After that, while I was still sourcing, she went and found a dress and a skirt and a top and got her stuff. So first things we're going to kick it off with are these US Divers flippers. They're originally $5, but on sale for $2.98. We actually got 2 pairs of these. You can see them right here. Sales are a little bit light because we're coming out of winter and spring. As we get into summer, as things lighten up with the whole situation that we're all dealing with, I expect that those sales will start to ramp up. You know, going into summer, going into getting outdoors and things. Next, we have these breast pump breast shields. These right here, I paid $1.98 each. They were $3.98 a piece. I paid $1.98 each. They're selling a 2-pack on eBay for $16, and so 4 into 16 fits my margins, and I got 5 boxes of these. So I spent a total of $10. I will probably just try to offload all of them. They are new and they're sealed. I'll probably try to offload all of them for one price and just get them out the door. I'm not really worried about like pairing them up. I did get this InnoGear diffuser. Is it a diffuser? Like essential oils. I don't know. I'm not into that stuff. But it has a brand new bottle of tea tree essential oil inside and a bottle half full of frankincense oil. And so I don't know what those are worth. I might keep this for myself, but I got this for $3.98, so that's not bad. I'll probably keep that for myself. I did get this selfie stick to put the GoPro on. I actually have one of these already, but you never can have too many selfie sticks. I think I paid $1 for this, and it's even got like a iPhone or something. It's got a phone holder also, so to more video gear, I guess, is what I'm saying. Now onto the shoes. We did score this pair of I think these are indoor soccer shoes. I've sold a pair of these before, a different colorway. These are, I would say these are super close to brand new. The tag on the inside is immaculate. The inside is super clean. Yeah, they're really nice. I paid $4.98. There were no discounts, so I paid $4.98 on these. I'm happy with them. Got this pair of, what are these? I don't even know what these are. Oh, Rykas. Got a pair of Ryka sandals. We paid $3.98. Not great, but not bad. Rykas have been selling really hot for me over the past several months. I got this pair of Sanuk flip-flops, paid $1.98. These are still brand new. So they still have like the stickers on the bottom, the brand new stickers, and they've never been worn. Even the little Sanuk logo there hasn't been worn off by the heel of someone's foot. Really excellent find right here. A pair of brand new with the tag Birkenstocks, youth size, paint splatter, Pretty awesome. These don't go for as much as the traditional Birkenstocks that doesn't have the heel strap. Still a good buy at $3.98. Not bad. And then the absolute winner. Now let me give some context to this item because my friend had texted me the day before, so Wednesday, and he was like, hey, I got this pair of such and such shoes for, I think he paid like $10 or $8, and they're going for 60 or 70. And I was like, okay, jot it down, right? Because we have to remember things in the future. And life just happens for me sometimes. It just happens in my favor, right? And I'm a man of faith, and I believe that's God. God works for my favor. And it's awesome. Like, he told me about Hoka's. I think that's how you say it, Hoka. I didn't know anything about them. But we're walking around and I look on the shelf and I just see the word jump out at me. Hoka Challenger ATR 5. Yeah, right there. Now, I did pay $13 for these bad boys. So that's everything we got from the thrift. Let's jump into Burlington. Now, backstory for Burlington. After our date, my wife and I went driving around. We went to Chipotle. We got dinner. We sat in the back of our van and we ate and we watched some Bob's Burgers on the iPhone. And a nice little date. It was raining real hard. It was very cozy. And so I look across the parking lot and there's a Burlington coat factory. And I remember the day prior, my friend who told me about the Hokas also said, hey, I just went to Burlington Coat Factory and I found this pair of Nikes. I think they were SBs, the black and like a forest green color. And he paid $20 for them because Burlington was having a 50% off that weekend. 50% off everything in the store that weekend. He said, I found these, got them for $20, and they're selling for $210 on eBay. So I got super hyped. We're right there next to Burlington on our date. I said, let's drive over there and check it out. So we drove over, they were closed, and they had a sign on the door. Friday, opening up at 10 a.m., 50% off the entire store. Everything, 50% off. So we put that joker in the calendar. My wife said, you better be back here tomorrow morning and go all out. So that's what we did. Let me show you. This is going all out. And we absolutely scored massive. All right, let's just kick it off. I'm gonna save these for after because those are the better shoes. What I got, and I'll tell you what I paid out of my pocket for these items. These Nike Shox, right? Yes, I believe it's a version of Nike Shox right there. We paid, they were $34.99 on sale. Originally $50, marked down to $35, and we got 50% off $35. $17.50 on these. This pair of Nike Stefan Janowski. How do you even say it? I don't know. I got this pair right here. Original price $40. We paid $20. This pair of Adidas right here. Original price $30. We paid $15. This pair of Nike Run Utility Shield. Right there, original price, I can't see the original price. It was marked down to $20. We paid $10 for these. Nike Training Reacts shoes. Original price, $35. We paid $17.50. This pair of Jordans, originally $50, marked down to $35. We paid $17.50. This was probably my least favorite. I like the look of it. This pair of Nike cleats, I don't even know what they're called. They're super awesome colorway. They look good. Price $16.99. We paid $8.50. $8.50 for those. Yeah, they weren't like my favorite for the flip. I've not ever done really well with cleats, so we'll see how it goes. Then while I was waiting in line, I waited in line for almost 2 hours just to check out. The line wrapped around the store on the inside. It was atrocious. I literally waited for almost 2 hours to check out. And there was no AC. All the ACs in the store were broken. It was a terrible, hot mess. Like, literally a hot mess. However, while I was in line, I was the last person at this point. I had just gotten in line. There was about 150 people in front of me. And I look about 10 people up. And there's a pair of shoes sitting on the ground. And I thought, I know those are worth it. I've seen those. I believe I saw them a year or two ago through like the Nike app or like somewhere on Instagram. I saw them somewhere, And so I said, if no one else has picked them up off the floor by the time I get up there, I'll check them out. Literally, 10 people walked past them. Apparently someone had them, they didn't want them, and they set them down. Right here. Nike Zooms. Cheetah print. Awesome, right? Ladies' shoes. Size 9. They're $40 normally. I paid 20 bucks. Killer deal. I would do this every day. I have 2 more pairs of shoes to show you, but I'm going to take a brief intermission from the shoes and show you these 2 bags. I was also standing in line right before I got those cheetah print shoes. Standing in line, and I noticed some small unicorn backpacks right here. They have little things that stick off of them, almost like 3-dimensional. Really awesome. And I thought, those seem like they would be worth something. Well, the price was $16.99. I paid $8.50. It seems like a pretty good deal to me. The last 2 pairs of shoes from Burlington. I honestly want to keep these for myself. I think gold is my second favorite color. However, these are going to get sold. This pair of Jordans right here, great looking, awesome. I love the sole, incredible. Original price, $59.99. I paid 30 bucks. And then the absolute win of the day for Burlington. This was the first shoe that I saw going in. First one, and I knew instantly, money. I go in, I'm scanning, I'm looking for that black and green shoe that my friend had told me about. And then these jump out, boom. All white Huaraches, buttery, crispy. $49.99 normally, 50% off, got them 25 bucks. You can't lose with these. All right, lastly, Plato's Closet. Where's the backstory for this? I'm glad you asked. Here it is. Got a notification yesterday that today Plato's Closet was having their quarterly 90% off sale. If you don't know what Plato's Closet is, it's a store where you can take your clothes and sell them to the store. They pay you pennies on the dollar for your clothes, and then they sell them at about market value. But every quarter, they have this 90% off sale where they will take stuff from not that quarter, but the previous quarter, and they will sell it for 90% off. Last sale, I went in there, I spent 25 bucks, and I bought $300 worth of inventory. It's excellent. It's an incredible experience, and I didn't even know anything about it at that point. We just happened to be driving by at that day, and my wife saw it. So we signed up for their mailing list, we signed up for the text alerts and the emails, and I'm glad we did, because we got notified. I was the 3rd person in line today. The line was tremendous by the time they opened up at 11 a.m. We go in, no shoes. Literally, I think I got 5 or 6 pairs of shoes. There was nothing on sale for shoes. But boy, did we score in the denim department. Let me show you this stuff. I'm going to show you the shoes first. First off, just a pair of Vans here. Suede and canvas Vans. They were selling them for $18. I got them for $1.80. The cool thing about Plato's Closet is they don't take junk generally. So the shoe has to be in pretty good condition if they're going to take it. You can see the bottom. Now, they don't clean them. They don't do anything like that. So some of these shoes I might need to clean a little bit, but not too shabby. This pair of New Balance Minimus, awesome shoe. They were selling them for 16 bucks. I paid $1.60. They got the Vibram soles on them. This pair of Nike ACGs, duck boots. Okay, they were selling them for $25. I got them $2.50. This pair of Nike Air, I don't even know what these are. These are like, I feel like these are an older shoe. They were selling them for $45. I got them for $4.50. This pair of ladies' shoes, I don't remember, what are these? Nike Alvord 10s. I didn't even check comps on these. I've sold a pair of these a long time ago. I paid $2 for them. They were $20 and I paid $2. This is a pair of Vans, but the paisley print on them. They were selling them for $16. I got them for $1.60. It's a little bit more like upscale, kind of a classier look. Kind of, you got that leather and the paisley. A little bit more of a, not dressy shoe, but a little bit more formal than your average Vans. And then the last pair of shoes from here is another pair of Nike ACGs. These were $35. I paid $3.50 for them. Dual fusion. See right there. Not a duck boot, but like a nice leather boot with that nice red and black plaid on the inside. And these are very lightly used, like incredible condition. They were $35. I paid $3.50. Now let's get to the exciting stuff. After I went through the shoes and I realized, like, man, I'm really scrounging around for nothing. I have to make my day worth it. I went over to the denim. I've been having some really great success with denim, mainly jeans, mainly men's. So I went to check them out. One lady had started at size 36 and was moving up. So I went to 32 and started moving up towards 36. I knew that she was there for True Religion jeans because I heard her mention that in the line. She said that she's a reseller and she resells True Religion. So you have to take these little things. Success leaves clues. Success will drop you breadcrumbs. You just have to recognize it and you have to follow it. That's why I make these videos. I'm trying to drop some breadcrumbs so that you can see them, find them, follow them, and be successful and make the moves. So got a pair of True Religion Rickies, relaxed straight, really good condition. These come slightly distressed. Awesome. They were originally $40. I got them for $4. I can't tell you how excited I am about these. Next, I got this pair of True Religion Rickies. This is a larger size, a 38. This is a non-distressed, just a really good pair of quality jeans. Price was $35. I paid $3.50. Where can you get True Religion for $3.50? You got to know. Got a pair of True Religion straights right here. These, I believe, are going to sell in no time. They have the distress. They have the sewing marks and the thread on them. Really cool patchwork. These were $40. I paid $4. I got this pair of True Religion. I'm telling you, I was on the hunt today. Got this pair of True Religion Ricky Relaxed Straights. And the cool thing is this has the bold white thread. This is a huge selling point when it comes to selling True Religion. These were $60 and I got them for $6. Got this pair of, let's do this one first. I really wanted these for myself, but I want the money more. True Religion. What are the model of these? I don't even know the model. They're True Religion jean, like denim joggers. Okay, they're men's, size 32, denim joggers. They were $25. I got them for $2.50. And then the last thing we got from there is this. I feel like I've sold like 4 or 5 of these pairs over my career as a reseller. Pair of Lucky Brand 221 original straights, immaculate condition, such good condition. I can't even tell you how excited I am about this. Like, look at even the back there is so nice. It's not tattered. It's awesome. These were $18. I paid $1.80. I'll get $35-40 out of these Lucky Brand, no problem. Guys, that is what this weekend has been about. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, hitting 3 stores, absolutely scoring. And the prices, like the deals getting better every single day. It has me excited. It has me on the hunt, on the lookout for what is going to happen tomorrow. What's going to happen Monday? How is this going to get even better? Every day is getting better. I'm so pumped. I'm so glad you allowed me to share this with you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new around here, consider subscribing to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, keep selling, get the bag, and I'll see you on the next video.